You want to become a successful real estate investor working for yourself, or you're already doing deals and you just want to expand your business. At my 2-day discovery event, you are going to discover the path that you need to take to become successful in real estate. I'm going to teach you how to make money with wholesaling, double closings, and assignments, with buy and hold projects, and how to become a landlord. I'm also going to be teaching you how to find deals, how to raise money, and how to find buyers to sell your properties to and make huge profits. I'm also going to teach you how to make money in fix and flip properties. And we are going to visit several of my rehab projects, like this property, so that you can learn the beginning stages of a fix and flip and know how to get started. Or a property like this, so that you can see a project at its final stage, and I'm going to teach you how I sell them and make huge profits. Now, you will also be learning from some highly respected people in this industry with my special guests, like Kevin Thatcher, the Title King. He's the owner of one of the largest title companies in the state of Florida. Or Jaron Kelly of Kelly Grant and Tanis. He's not only one of the most highly respected real estate attorneys, but he's also a successful real estate investor himself. So click the link below and make the decision to fast track your success. Spend 2 days with an experienced investor who has made millions of dollars in all aspects of real estate over the last 20 years. I guarantee you this will be exactly what you're looking for. So sign up today. What are you waiting for?